Ever wondered why we get hiccups? It's a literal nerve problem. Your vagus and phrenic nerves get irritated, triggering your diaphragm to spasm. It's often a mystery, but triggers include eating too much or too fast, spicy, hot or cold foods, and fizzy drinks or alcohol. Even swallowing too much air. So, how do you make it stop? Experts don't have a guaranteed cure for these. They usually disappear all by themselves. But if you're desperate, try stimulating that vagus nerve. Hold your breath, pull your tongue, sip cold water, or even swallow a spoonful of sugar. Breathing into a paper bag also works by adjusting your lungs' carbon dioxide. If your hiccups are lasting forever and impacting your life, don't ignore them. Go talk to a healthcare provider. Persistent hiccups need treatment. What's your secret home remedy to instantly kill a hiccup? Tell us and follow for more.